Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So, if your Sonos Playbar suddenly stops responding to your remote, it can feel frustrating because the soundbar itself is working, but you just can't control it the way you normally would. You might press volume or mute and see no reaction at all. This usually happens when the connection between the remote and the Playbar gets disrupted, or when the remote control settings inside the Sonos system need to be refreshed. Since the Playbar relies on proper remote programming and signal detection, even a small change like switching remotes or interference can cause it to stop responding. The good part is that this issue is often easy to fix once you go through the correct setup steps. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to restore remote control functionality on your Sonos Playbar. Try these. Step 1. Replace the batteries of your remote with new and fresh ones. Step 2. Open the Sonos app on your phone. Step 3. Go to Settings and select the Playbar device. Step 4. Navigate to Remote Control Setup and reprogram the remote. Step 5. Point the remote directly at the Playbar during setup. Step 6. Test the volume controls to confirm it responds correctly.